In this video, we will go through the process of creating custom reports in Solid Edge Inspector. By default, out of the box, sample templates are available which can be used to generate the inspection reports. However, most customers would want to generate the inspection report in a specific format and standards. Let's navigate to Solid Edge Inspector installation directory and take a backup of a folder called def. Navigate to reports and to Excel out folder. Here we can find a different report templates which are available out of the box. It is better to use one of these templates to create our own new template. Let's copy default reports and paste it in the same Excel out folder. Let's rename the folder and provide a new name to it. Similarly, rename the Excel and .ini files accordingly. It is recommended to provide the same name as the folder name. Now edit the make report.cmd file in Notepad. In this CMD file, replace the .ini and .xls file names with the new names which has been provided previously. Easier would be to use the find and replace in this case. Save the CMD file. Now edit the Excel which is in the same directory. We can modify the Excel template as per the requirements. In this case, we are deleting the drawing image section. We can add or modify the sheets. If required, we can modify the output report name at the top. We just need to note down the cell number where we want to start and end printing of bill of characteristics. If the Excel file is read-only, then we can modify the file by storing it in other locations, and the final Excel template can be replaced in the installation directory at the end. Now edit the .ini file which is in the same folder. This has to be updated as per your Excel template. As we remove the image area in the Excel sheet, we can comment the image section. As we have deleted some rows, the row start and row end has to be updated. Save the ini file before proceeding to the next step. Now go back to the default folder and edit the compare cfg.xml file. We need to add an entry of our newly created custom report template. Copy an existing report entry, paste it at the end, edit the section and update the description, report type and save the file. Lastly, we need to edit the Solid Edge Inspector report.cmd file. It is recommended to take a backup before editing. Open the file in Notepad and copy and paste a report section at the end. Modify the entries like description, folder location, etc. It is important to maintain the same format and make sure that the description and folder location of custom report is mentioned correctly. Save the file and close the Solid Edge session. Let's restart Solid Edge, open the same drawing and launch Solid Edge Inspector. Let's run the create update CN list so that the inspector balloons the dimensions and also updates the CN table. Now let's generate the inspection report. We can see a new report type entry in the list which we just created. Let's select the same template and generate the inspection report. Here we can see custom output report table as we named it during the configuration, and sheet also includes the bill of characteristics. Thanks for watching.